Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe.
And I'm Tammy.
And in this episode, we're going to show you a great place that you can go camping for free right here in Florida. Flying Eagle Preserve. And a quick look at the map. Located in central Florida, you'll see a little town of Inverness, just west of Ocala. The campground physical address is in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Be sure to follow the instructions on your reservation because the GPS will get you lost. Well, there you have it, the GPS. Story of my life. That's right. I didn't follow the instructions. I followed the GPS, and there you go. I had to turn around and head back the other way. Okay, so when I do the free camping videos, I show the entire drive into these campgrounds because they are dirt roads. They're overgrown sometimes with the vegetation. It's to give you an idea if you want to bring your rig down here to stay at these campgrounds. So here's the drive into the gate where you will enter your code into the blue lock to get you into the park. Alright, once you have entered the code to the blue lock and you've locked the gate behind you after you entered, you have a small amount of road before you reach the campgrounds. And I want to take the time to mention that these campsites are all first come, first serve. So whenever you make a reservation and you pull in, so once you see a spot that you like, go ahead and set up camp. It's that easy. Alright, as we approach the area where the campsites are, now is the time I'm going to let you know that this is primitive camping. There is no electric and no water. There's no garbage cans and no showers. So what you bring in, you must take out. So in order to camp here, you have to have a reservation, and by having a reservation is how you get the code for the blue lock. I will put in my description a link of how to boondock in these Florida free campgrounds down below. So as you can see, the campground area is nice and large. You can park your rig anywhere you want. You can choose full sun for the purpose of solar power, or you can pick some sites where you can give you some shade for some cooler temperature camping. And I am pulling into what I thought was the best campsite of the entire campground. And as you can see, it has a very large wooded area, like a picnic table, a fire ring, and then it's got some scrub to give you some privacy. But there is so many great options of where you could park and set up your camp. Oh, it does. And it works good too. A rare amenity, a water pump for washing your own dishes. And this park also has porta potties for your restroom needs. So some of the things you can do while staying at this campground. You can hike the trails, you can bike the trails, you can go fishing, you can go kayaking, and you can do bird watching. Also, during certain times of the year, you can even do hunting on these lands. Alright, heading down the other way, we're heading towards the river, and I wanted to share this special little bridge with you. It has a built-in crossing for airboats, and airboats are a frequent thing on the river in this area. Now, this is about a quarter of a mile from the campground itself, so this is the opportunity where you could do the biking and some hiking. Alright, as we approach the bridge itself, these two pickup trucks just happen to be the local rangers doing survey and some checks right here on the river. Alright, we have an airboat coming. Gotta stay back because that wind and water are going to kick up from the back end of it. Here he comes. A couple of them. Comes another one. Alright, there's the excitement of some airboats crossing that special bridge, and I just wanted to make another note of that. These airboats are known to run well into the night, so do expect some noise from that. Now, as we head out of the park, we'll be wrapping up this wonderful little campground called Flying Eagle Preserve, located in Inverness, Florida. So you should consider taking advantage of some free camping and camping right here at this great little park. If you want to see more great places to camp for free right here in Florida, check out our channel. We have a playlist of a whole bunch of free camping. You should consider subscribing to our channel. You'll never know, we may be guilty of adding to your bucket list. And as always, thanks for watching. Two for the road.